Android's quick settings tiles can be extremely useful by giving the user fast access to certain actions. You may already be familiar with these quick settings tiles for actions like toggling certain features like the flashlight, airplane mode, and dark theme. Quick settings tiles can even be customized to fit the user by positioning the ones you use the most right at the top. With the launch of Android 13, Google has added 3 new tiles into the mix, some of which have been requested for quite a while now. First up, we have a new quick settings tile to let you enable or disable one-handed mode. For those who are unfamiliar with the feature, once you have enabled this option, which can be done either through the quick settings tile or the settings application, you can swipe down at the bottom of the screen to lower the app window for easier access. This feature should work in all applications. And it is great for those moments when you need to reach the top of an application, but only have one free hand to use your phone. Once enabled, we only need a simple swipe down at the bottom to better access all areas of an application without having to use a separate hand to hold the device. The second new quick settings tile for Android 13 offers the ability to enable and disable the color correction feature. This feature has been available for a couple of years now, but the quick settings tile for it is new in Android 13. And it offers both color correction and grayscale features to help compensate for color blindness. Now you need to go into these settings in order to set up color correction, whether you want it set to green weak, red weak, the blue yellow, or full on grayscale mode. Once this has been set up, you can then enable or disable it from the new quick settings tile. And lastly, we have a new tile specifically for the QR scanner within Android. There's no need to install or use a camera or gallery application anymore if you're just wanting to scan a QR code. Once we add the tile to our quick settings panel, we simply need to tap that option and it will bring up the viewfinder for the camera so that it can scan a QR code for you. All 3 of these new quick settings tiles are available in Android 13, but you're going to need to go in and manually add them to your quick settings panel, which we can do by bringing down the quick settings panel, tapping the pencil icon, and then dragging it from the lower section to the upper section. Then we just need to tap the back arrow at the top to save our changes. Third-party apps can still add their own unique quick settings tile to Android for you to choose from, but these 3 new tiles are going to be available to all Android 13 users unless the phone maker removes them from its OEM ROM beforehand.